DS18 with another unboxing video. Today we're going to talk about the Hooligan KO8. Look at the size of this bad boy. Capable of pushing 8,000 watts of pure power, and it's ready to hit the streets. Today we're going to show you guys some amp videos, some specs, and at the end we're going to show the insides. So let's get started. The KO8 is 1 ohm stable. It has a selectable crossover. It has dual input terminal for 0 gauge wire. It has hardware included, remote bass knob that has power and cooking indicator. On the faceplate it has power, protect, a clipping indicator, and a voltage. Now for some amp dynamics. Let's start with dynamic burst at 1 ohm. Now we do uncertified at 1 ohm. And the last one, certified at 1 ohm. $7,400 watts at 12.7 volts. Remember, this amp is rated at 14.4 volts. Now the fun part, the insides. Now check out this half-bridge Class D Korean board. This is a brand new technology designed by DS18 and ready to hit the streets.